found myself without any stuffing for my roast pork. So I'm going to make some sage and onion stuffing homemade. For this you'll need a couple of slices of bread. Dry bread doesn't really matter. It doesn't matter whether it's brown, wholemeal, whatever bread you like will work for this. And you'll need about half an onion, and you'll also need some sage. I've got this one's dried sage, but if you've got fresh sage all the better. But anyway, let's just get the onion chopped up, get that in there along with the bread. This is all so easy, it's so quick and so easy to do. And you'll need, I'd say, about a teaspoon of dried sage, probably a little bit double that of fresh chopped sage if you have it. And the only other thing I would do with that is give it some good news with the salt. And because it's me, I put plenty of pepper in it. Some people like lemon juice in it, but I don't. So all I'm going to do now is give that a whiz, and then I'll get back to you. Alright, that's it pretty much whizzed up. The only other thing I want to do now is introduce a little bit of moisture to it. So I'm going to put in about a shot glass full of water. That goes in, and a final whiz, and then it'll be done. So there you go, that's it, giving it its final whiz. You don't want it too slushy, too moist. And then we'll get it out like that. And then just give it a slight push down, because you don't want it to be too bready, if you know what I mean. You want it to still be crumbly. So give it a light push down, and then that's ready to bake in the oven for a few minutes. Just to get it fairly brown on top, and then it's ready to serve as stuffing. Failing that, you can just take it, and if you're stuffing the neck end of a bird, for instance, you just stuff that into the neck end of the bird as you would use any other stuffing. So there you go, quick, super quick homemade stuffing. You can also make this with thyme and parsley, so you can use equal quantities of thyme and parsley. You can also use spring onions instead of the white onion that I've used here. You can use apple and sage, which is rather good with pork. So apple, onion and sage is rather good with pork. But you're only limited by your imagination. For festive occasions we often mix sausage meat in with our stuffing to make it all the more luxurious and festive. Thanks for watching. If you have enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you would like to follow my channel, please subscribe, and be sure to click the bell icon to receive notification of all my upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.